Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ubisoft Game Launcher Error Code 1. We will start with some essential troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting your computer and the Ubisoft Connect launcher. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. Always run Ubisoft Connect as an administrator to grant necessary permissions. Finally, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall, as these can sometimes block the launcher. These simple actions often resolve many common issues. Next, let's address potential network issues. Open your command prompt and type ipconfig/flushtons to clear your DNS cache. Consider resetting your network adapter settings to their defaults. You might also try changing your DNS servers to public ones, such as Google DNS, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Also, verify that no proxy settings are active and causing interference. Now, let's focus on the launcher and game files themselves. Use Ubisoft Connect to verify the integrity of your game files. This can fix corrupted data. If issues persist, a complete reinstallation of the Ubisoft Connect launcher might be necessary. Remember to manually clear the Ubisoft Connect cache folder, typically found in your program files. Also, ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated for optimal performance. For more advanced troubleshooting, check for any conflicting background applications that might be interfering. Performing a clean boot can help isolate software conflicts by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. If the problem continues, it is best to contact Ubisoft support directly. Provide them with detailed error information, including screenshots and your system specifications, for the quickest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.